Troops are forming up on the beach. We got 3 guys, 1 girl. We got Ann, our guide, and they're over there. We're getting ready to go in. They're doing some photo ops there because you got to get this recorded well. And they have the photos in the front there. I got their back quarter side here, so
we're gonna get ready, and
there you
cameras
go.
will just have to be ready.
There is no tomorrow on this one.
Okay, cameras are rolling. Cameras are rolling here. These are our intrepid polar plungers. 3 from the tour, 1 guide. They're getting ready. They're lining up. They're at the starting gate. They're ready to go. They're taking their last deep breaths. They're on there. They got their 3. There they go. Whoa. They're in the water. They're coming out. They're coming out. They made it. They're in. They're out. They're in. They're out. There they go. They're coming home from the stretch. Ann's the first one back in. We got everybody there. They all feel invigorating. So they're good. Everybody look up the camera. Wave to the camera here. Give me a wave. Give me a wave here. Give me a wave to the camera. Give me a wave to the camera. Give me a wave up here. Okay. I want you to go another one. Whoa, there they go, there they go. They're going in. They're swimming, they're swimming. They're aquanautics. They're in, they're back. They're doing it a 2nd time. Will they try for a 3rd time? I don't know. If it's going to be 3, no, it's just going to be 2. They're all happy campers now. And there they go. There he is. There's Irv. He's made it. Josh made it. He's heading back. Riley made it, and Ann made it there. Okay, there they go. Okay, now I got to get back down off the rocks. It was the Polar Plunge. They didn't put the date, but it's August 11th, 2019. There it is, the fabulous Polar Plunge. Everybody survived. No defibrillators necessary here, and everybody's in good shape. And I think they're all better for it. That they feel they've accomplished something in their lifetime here. So. There it is. Okay.
In the moment, it's just
Okay, tell us how it was, Ann. Was it good?
Invigorating.
It was wonderful.
Absolutely
then,
refreshing.
That's good to hear. There.
I might start doing it every morning.
And you went in twice too, so that was most excellent.
Wanted
there.
to see if it
we
was...
have to hand it to you.
Okay.
Left hand. Okay.
Yeah.
See you later. Thank you very much. Bye bye.